Hello, and welcome to the Meals Plus Enterprise demo. We sincerely appreciate you taking the time to let us show you the Meals Plus system. In the next 30 minutes, we will show you how Meals Plus's superior cafeteria technology is a complete cafeteria management system that will make it easier for you to run your school food service operation. For over 20 years, Meals Plus has been keeping the lunch line moving, in big and small districts, public and private, from coast to coast. Today, Meals Plus is running in almost 4,000 cafeterias in 33 states, plus Puerto Rico and Guam. Meals Plus has what's important to you: ease of use, breakthrough customer support, and advanced technology, making it the premier cafeteria software system in K-12 today. We know that when it comes to technology systems, school cafeterias have specialized needs, which is why our exclusive focus on K-12 schools makes Meals Plus the right choice for school food service. The various components of the Meals Plus systems deliver a complete management package, from district office to school site and even home. The entire Meals Plus suite includes point of sale, free and reduced with application scanning and online applications, menu planning and USDA nutrient analysis, inventory management, a complete financial management, statistical evaluation, and reporting module, online payments via lunchprepay.com, a time clock, time and attendance tracking system, and the top customer service team in the business. All the tools, the latest technology, and real customer care to go with it makes Meals Plus the total package. Meals Plus technology is second to none. CIF and Gold certified, it is a Windows-based system that takes advantage of leading Microsoft technology. An SQL database foundation and .NET system, coupled with automatic updates, come together to develop a web-enabled system that is simple to implement and maintain, which is always a nice combination for your district technology staff. The need for simplicity, as well as a critical emphasis on data accuracy, led Meals Plus to develop the industry's first single central database. Now, eligibility statuses are updated immediately as you process applications, and reports at the schools match reports at the central office, always. Today's school nutrition business also demands a system that is fully integrated, minimizing data input and automating many of your processes. And Meals Plus delivers. All of the components are fully featured, integrated, and easy to learn and use. Screen design is simple and intuitive, and the interface and functionality is clean and consistent across all modules. System navigation is also easy, with logical menus, and again, consistency across all modules. Meals Plus is powerful, secure, and what you need to run a trouble-free lunchroom. And because it is web-enabled, it can be accessed anywhere via the internet. The Meals Plus system is loaded with reports. They are clean and dynamic, and all can be exported to multiple file types for additional customization. System security is robust, accommodating the many roles and needs of users. It can be set up to control access to functions and reports, even customized down to individual staff by module. Another nice feature of Meals Plus is compatibility. System design and flexible import-export utilities allow for sharing of information with other district software systems. Meals Plus is compatible with all major student information systems and will also provide data for district accounting and automated calling programs. All components of the Meals Plus system are accessed through a single login screen. Security settings control which programs, features, and reports a user can get to. Unique login credentials and optional password expiration settings help track who does what and keeps the system secure. Point of sale is the anchor of the system. It is designed to be fast and flexible, and thus easy for cafeteria staff to learn and use. School point of sale demands two primary features. Number one, the system must be very easy to learn and use. And number two, it must be fast to accommodate meal times that are getting shorter and shorter. and our point of sale is built exclusively for school cafeterias, which means that you don't have to deal with features that don't fit your operation. But as simple and user-friendly as it is, Meals Plus point of sale is full of useful features. Meals Plus single serving screen design keeps things easy and fast with a touchscreen or a regular keyboard, with a top-to-bottom flow of who is the customer, what are they buying, and how are they paying. Training cashiers is a breeze. The color-coded item grid is customizable by cashier and accommodates up to 999 menu items for lunch and another 999 menu items for breakfast. The screen features a student picture, current balance information, balance of the previous student served, as well as access to an alphabetical lookup and a visiting student lookup, which allows you to serve any student in the district. The screen also tells us that the system is online and has many other button-accessible features to share information with the cashier or manager. Meals Plus point of sale is also flexible. Students are identified with simple PIN numbers and can interface with the system using various input devices. Numeric keypads, barcode readers of various types, and biometric finger ID can all be used with the Meals Plus system. Meals Plus point of sale also offers a variety of speed serving options. Students can be served by homeroom or virtually any other group you can think of within a single school or across the district. In fact, with the visiting student feature, you can serve any student in the district at any school without having to make manual adjustments afterwards. The school that serves the meal gets the credit for the meal, and the account balance is adjusted at the student's home site. Customizable filters control charging and a la carte sales. A prohibited items setting helps monitor sales to students with dietary restrictions or food allergies. With Meals Plus, network interruptions are no longer a problem. Offline mode allows you to keep serving and keeps a local record of all transactions until connectivity is restored. The green checkbox indicates that I am connected to the master database or online. If I were offline, it would be indicated by a red X over the icon. Once connection is restored, the data is synced and you're up to date. Meals Plus point of sale is so reliable, it even has some built-in safeguards to minimize mistakes. For instance, if this student was not allowed to have milk because he was lactose intolerant, we would receive a notification. Or if he had already purchased a Type 1 reimbursable meal, he would not be allowed to purchase another one. One of our customers' favorite point of sale features is the on-screen history lookup. Item history for the student's entire serving year is available at the touch of a button, as opposed to having to go to a manager module or go out of the serving screen to find the information. Meals Plus point of sale accommodates account prepayment, whether it's cash, check, or internet, in this case lunchprepay.com. Our system makes it easy for your customers to pay. In fact, Meals Plus is the first in the industry to create an online payment app for Facebook. Once the money has been collected and students have been fed, it's time to see where you are, and our multitude of reports will help you do just that. Student rosters, sales, meal counts, bank deposits, inventory tracking, sales tax calculation, AccuClaim reporting, participation, you name it, Meals Plus has you covered. And because we know you can't be everywhere at once, the system even has built-in fraud monitoring. And at the end of the day, we even give you the ability to share data with your district accounting office. And point of sale is just the tip of the iceberg. Each year, managing your free and reduced program gets more complicated, making an automated system a must for accurately tracking and reporting on the National School Lunch Program, and ensuring proper reimbursements. For that, there's Meals Plus Free and Reduced. Like all of Meals Plus, the Free and Reduced module is very powerful, but very easy to use. The application wizard pulls student information from the student software system to minimize data input. The system accommodates multiple types of income qualifications, as well as categorical eligibility designations like foster child, emancipated minor, Head Start, and extended benefits, as well as food stamps or TANF, homeless, migrant, or runaway. With Meals Plus Free and Reduced, handling of direct certification is automated and simple. Files can be imported as often as you like with a user-friendly import and then tracked with detailed system reporting. Student meal statuses and point of sale are updated in real time, and because of the single central database, rosters at the school always match rosters at the district office. As soon as I click Save in this example, a family number is assigned to the application and the status at point of sale is immediately set to the correct eligibility status. The system includes all the letters required for NSLP compliance, and they are available in multiple languages and can be customized to suit the needs of the district. The system comes preloaded with English and Spanish, but other languages can be accommodated. The Meals Plus Free and Reduced program maintains an ongoing history of applications, current year, as well as historical fiscal years. Previous year's applications can be used to preload data into the current year, again minimizing data input. The complicated process of verification is also greatly simplified with Meals Plus. Whichever method you choose, the system walks you step by step through the process and provides all the reports and checks and balances so that audits are less stressful. Meals Plus Free and Reduced flexibly handles the variety of grace periods with user-defined expiration settings for temporary applications, previous year status, as well as adverse changes. Complementing the Meals Plus Free and Reduced system are the handwriting scanning and online application add-ons. These systems further streamline the process and again reduce the amount of manual data input you have to deal with. LunchApplication.com even eliminates incomplete applications by requiring fields of data before a user can submit. And Free and Reduce also reinforces Meals Plus's reputation for comprehensive reporting. Rosters and other management reports offer myriad sort options and are updated regularly as USDA regulations change. The Meals Plus Cafeteria Management System also features menu planning and USDA nutrient analysis. Although not the first system on the market, Meals Plus can certainly make a case for being the best. Offering both food-based and nutrient standard planning and analysis, Meals Plus has smoothed out many of the hurdles associated with menu management software and with staying compliant with USDA and state guidelines. The latest CN database updates are always included in the system, offering 10,000 plus ingredients to get you started. And if that's not enough, you're able to quickly and easily add your own. Meals Plus Menus also includes hundreds of popular USDA recipes and allows you to also add your own, either from scratch or by using a system recipe as a template. And changing recipes is easy. If portion sizes or number of servings changes, ingredients are automatically updated. Building cycle menus is a snap, with lots of point and click and copy-paste options to save time. Another benefit of Meals Plus menus is that it is fully integrated with the inventory and production components of the system, allowing you to automate management functions like menu costing, production forecasting, and tracking inventory usage. Here, as a production record is completed and closed, ingredients used for the meal service are automatically subtracted from my inventory. Menus meets HACCP requirements for recipe management and also allows you to track food handling in the production record. And of course, no menu program would be complete without the ability to create a graphic calendar to send home with your kids. At Meals Plus, we know that when it comes to your day-to-day operation, you have a lot of time and money invested in food and supplies. And we consider it the job of Meals Plus Inventory to make the most of both. Meals Plus Inventory is built to simplify the process of ordering, tracking, maintaining, and valuing food, commodities, and supplies. Centralized and employing a true FIFO valuation, Meals Plus Inventory helps you manage with a perpetual or summary approach. Item profiles are detailed, organized by bid group, item group, or category for easy identification. And all pricing is date-driven for accurate FIFO valuation, as well as cost per serving. Does a high school cafeteria need access to cranberry sauce or some other particular item but middle and elementary don't? The item access feature of the system can handle that. The centralized approach allows you to have managers create orders for district office approval before they are turned into purchase orders, which can be sent as electronic files to vendors. School sites can also receive and verify orders against delivery tickets and invoices, ensuring you get what you are paying for. The system will also accommodate a central warehouse and is smart enough to fill an order from the warehouse if an item is in stock. The perpetual inventory makes physicals a snap. Forms can be printed with system-calculated quantities already in place. Staff just has to verify and update Meals Plus. And with an option of integrated menus in production, you can automate usage tracking, which is a tremendous labor savings. Meals Plus Inventory also features a bid analysis module that will maintain and evaluate submissions and awards bids on a bottom line or per item basis. Besides food and supplies, another significant investment is your people, and Meals Plus has a way to make sure you're getting the most bang for your buck there too. Meals Plus Time Clock is an automated time and attendance system that was built to help you break away from the hassle of paper timesheets. Employees clock in and clock out, and Meals Plus does the rest. Well, almost. The system tracks an unlimited number of job types and allows for a variety of leave calculations. It will even help keep track of accumulated overtime or comp time. Employees can have multiple job assignments, and the system is smart enough to clock them out as a bus driver when they clock in as a cook, or vice versa. The interface is clean, simple, and easy to learn, allowing for a quick ramp-up for district office as well as school site staff. Time Clock will even help you keep up with professional certifications like SMI and ServSafe. Do you want to know who isn't clocked in that should be, or who hasn't clocked out but should have? Meals Plus Time Clock knows. Employees can request leave and review and approve their timesheets electronically. Clock in, clock out is controlled by PIN access, which can be changed as needed. With Meals Plus Time Clock, you're even able to export an electronic timesheet file to share with the payroll office. Once you have the students, parents, staff, and inventory under control, now it's time to take a look at the numbers, and this is where Meals Plus really shines. In 1989, Meals Plus started as a financial management tool for school food service. Many years and iterations later, it is true to its pedigree as the leader in managing the business of school nutrition. Meals Plus excels at accountability and financial reporting, giving you all the tools you need to stay on top of your financial and accountability facets of your operation. District-wide and school-by-school reports are available real-time at your fingertips. Need to know how many free breakfasts you served in an elementary school this month? Or last month? Or last year? Or even the year before that? Meals Plus can tell you. Revenue, reimbursement, profit and loss, plate costs, participation, bank deposits, sales by category, even in accounts receivable aging are only a few mouse clicks away. A powerful, easy-to-use import-export tool lets you exchange revenue and expense information with your district accounting system. View or print current or historical sales comparisons for a snapshot of your operation's financial health. Meals Plus Financial and Accountability even lets you set performance goals for your schools and generates reports to see how you are faring against those benchmarks. In an era of increasing fiscal pressure on school food service operations, Meals Plus delivers the information you need to make data-driven decisions. But software is only as good as the technical support that stands behind it. Part of what makes software easy is being able to get help when you need it. And according to our customers, that is the top feature in Meals Plus. We start with an aggressive service level agreement. This is our promise of how quickly your call will be answered, and that most of your problems will be solved on the first call. Certified Gold by the Microsoft Partner Network and a member of the Help Desk Institute, Meals Plus recognizes the importance of above and beyond customer service. That's why we consistently boast the highest staff-to-customer ratio in the business. On a typical day, calls are answered in less than 10 seconds. Even in August, when call volume increases by 6 times other months of the year, average time to answer is less than 2 minutes. But our help desk staff isn't just fast. More importantly, they are well-trained and knowledgeable. Before and after taking the first call, Meals Plus technical support agents go through thorough training and testing. We record and review calls for quality, and our staff actually spend time in school cafeterias, so day in and day out, they know what it takes to keep the lunch line moving. We use Microsoft CRM to track calls and save you time and energy, and regularly deliver on our 95% first call resolution goal. In our 2 yearly customer satisfaction surveys, customers identified themselves as satisfied to extremely satisfied at a nearly 95% rate, and respond overwhelmingly that even if time and money were not factors, they would not change systems. All modules feature comprehensive, web-based, in-program help with a shortcut connection to GoToAssist, which allows our technicians to log into your PC. To go with our best-in-class customer support is a top-flight training program designed to get you started fast, keep you going, and help you get the most out of your investment. Whether in person or over the web, our trainers understand the very specific needs of K-12 cafeteria staff. All of our programs offer detailed training regimens that can be administered by the Meals Plus team or allow for a train-the-trainer format. We supplement personal training with frequent webinars, email tips, training videos, interactive tutorials, and an easy-to-use customer support website. Meals Plus even makes it easy to change from your old system or no system at all. Once the server is in place, the startup process is pretty simple. Users are set up, items are set up, students are imported from the student information system, training can then be implemented, and at that point you're ready to go live. And if you don't have a server or don't want to have to be bothered with the expense or maintenance of a server, Meals Plus offers reliable and affordable database hosting. Additionally, if your computers are 3 years old or newer, you probably won't even have to change hardware. But don't take my word for it. Let some of our customers tell you about Meals Plus.
Hi, my name is Georgie Napple from West Point School in Orange County, New York. We've been a Meals Plus customer for about 4 years now, and I can't say enough good things about the system and the program. It has cut management paperwork down to a quarter of what it used to be. It is efficient, it is reliable, it is easy for the students to operate and easy for the employees to train on and learn. It's fantastic, and I would recommend it to anybody. Thank you.
And I just love my job, and I love children, and I love working with parents, and I love the program of Meals Plus because it's so easy, and it makes my job a lot easier when it comes to tracking.
Great.
Meals Plus has just about everything you need to make the job of running a school food service operation easier. A comprehensive product line, tons of features, best-in-class user-friendly technology, #1 in customer support. Meals Plus is the all-around best in school cafeterias. We encourage you to visit us at mealsplus.com, on Facebook, Twitter, and our blog. If you have any questions, email us at sales@mealsplus.com or call us directly at 1-800-541-8999. Meals Plus Superior Cafeteria Technology. We're keeping the lunch line moving.